Hello, I'm here again with another video, and this video is about smart switch. Smart switch we also call Wi-Fi switch, and those switches work with Google Home and Alexa. So today I got a one pack of smart switch. You can see here there are four switches inside that I bought, but these four switches are for three-way switches. So three-way switch light that can be used, and also these switches can be used for the single switch light. So mean the single pole light. So when I talk about the single and a three-way switches, okay, I mean this. I have this three-way switch. You can see this switch has a one and two, and on other side another one. So total of three screws. So one screw, normally the black one, that is for the power, for the hot lines coming from the breaker panel. And also I have another switch. So this is a switch, that's the single switch. Single switch has one and two, just the two screws. One is normally one is used for the hot, the power is coming in, and the other one is like a traveler power going to the light. So this is a single switch. So today what we're going to do, we're going to use the three-way switch, which is a smart switch, and this switch we are going to install for a single light switch. So when I open the box, I have this smart switch, and that switch has about four wires in it. And also I got one pack. That pack has a screw and a cap in it. Okay, in order to install our switch with having a safety in the mind, we are using these tools. These tools are pretty much available everywhere. So this is a tester we're going to use, and that is the flat head screwdriver. And we have a star Phillips screwdriver, and we have a nose plier and a wire stripper in case, and also a safety glasses and a gloves. Okay, as we're talking about the switch here, let me see. I'll take that warning label off from the switch. Okay, all right. So this label is off, and I believe that we have one, two, three, four, five. So we have a five wires. The five wires, if we read here, they are saying traveler, and the second one is saying load. So load is a power is coming from the panel, and the travelers, and neutral wire, and a ground wire. So this switch will work with the if we have a neutral wire in our existing switch. All right, so today we are going to install one of this switch, and this switch is working on and off. Normally this is a kitchen island switch. So let's start it. Okay, I got a flathead screwdriver with me, but before opening this plate, we have to keep in our mind that we have to turn off the breaker right after taking the plate off. And sometime you can go and turn off the breaker before, but keep in the mind we have to completely shut it off the power. So let's take the plate off, just the plate off for now. Okay, so I'm unscrewing this, and I just want to make sure that I don't lose the screw. Okay, and I'll just take this off for now. Make sure that we test our tester if that is working. So in this case, I'm testing with another wall plug. So look like that's working. So now we go back and check our switch power. So I just open it to see if that power is there and which wire has a power. So we got a power here. So this wire we has a power, the bottom one. So I just want to make sure I have to turn the breaker off, and when the breaker is off, I'll go back and check if there's a power uh, gone or is still power there. Now the power is off because we turned the breaker off. So now we know that there is no power. See, there is no power, right? All right, so I'm gonna unscrew the existing plug. I found some labels from the box. So I labeled it so I know that which wire will go where. So this is a ground wire and these are the neutral wire, and that's the line, the load wire, that's the hot wire, and that's a traveler. This will go up to the light. So in this case, we are using a three-way switch as a single pole switch. So three-pole switch using as a single pole switch. When we use that, we have to cap it off the one traveler wire. So if you can see here, that wire, the first red that we going to use, so this one we going to use, and that is a traveler, and then the load wire is a hot wire we going to use. But this wire also a traveler because we're using a single pole switch, so we're gonna cap this wire off. So we're not gonna use this wire, and we cap this off nicely. And then we have a neutral wire we're going to use, and also we have a ground wire which is green we're going to use, and all the instructions on the instruction menu as well. And in this case we are using a single pole only. Okay, we're going to use the ground wire with the ground, so I'll make sure that I make it properly tight because there's a spring inside, and make sure there'll be a twist and just tug the wire. It's good. And then I have a neutral wire, so the neutral wire I will use, I'll open this gap and then I use the neutral wire. Make sure that cap is properly tight, and I will snug it and check it. And then I have a load wire, so load wire, the line wire, so I will use this wire here, and I'll make sure that snug tight. And then I have a traveler which is going up, and that's my traveler. I'll use this to snug test it. Okay, I'll double check. So I have my all wire connecting together, and I'll snug it, check it, pretty tight, pretty tight. All right, so I'll just make sure the leveled it, and then I make it kind of tight, and then I'll put the cover on it. And this cover is easy going. Okay, probably I'm doing this way. Yeah, that's it. This is snug. Okay. So this is overall switch look like, and it's pretty tight installed. It has a protector on it, so I can take that protector off. Okay, so that's ready. Okay, now we turn on the breaker. Here you go. Okay, the light is blinking, so let's say we turn it on with the switch. Oh, the light is on, so that means it's working. Light is off, that means it's working. So you can read the instruction, because every manufacturer has own instruction. So pretty much it will say you add the device in your handheld device or your cell phone. So it's pretty straightforward, and I will go along with you. So again, I would like to check if it's turned on and off manually. So let's say turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. So since I tested my manual switch turn on and off, since my phone is occupied now, so I will hand over to my partner to go over for the further instructions.
All right, so once you've downloaded the app from the Play Store or App Store, go ahead and open the app up. You'll be prompted to make an account. I've already created my account. So go ahead and once you've made your account, click Add Device and choose which light type you have. So ours is Smart Light Switch in this case. Okay, so we're going to be pairing it with the light switch now. So I believe you're supposed to hold it down for 5 seconds until it starts blinking slowly. So now it's blinking slowly. Go ahead and click Confirm Indicator Slowly Blink. Next, and then go ahead and put your Wi-Fi and your password. So once you've put your Wi-Fi password in, go ahead, click Connect Now. It'll take you to your Wi-Fi settings and find Treat Life SLE 770. So once you've connected it to Treat Life, go back to the app and it will automatically have it connected. So it's added successfully. So once the switch has successfully connected with the app, you can now control the light with your phone. As you can see, it turns on and off now. So now that the light has been successfully connected with the app, we can go ahead and further connect it to Google Home or Alexa. So keep watching if you want to see how it can be connected to Google Home. So go ahead and open your Google Home app. As you can see, I already have my Google Home connected. Go to the Add button and set up a device. Works with Google. So the Treat Life light switch works with Google. And then you can go ahead and search Treat Life through here. So you can see Treat Life is right here. It'll redirect you, and then you can log in with your account you previously made. So once you've connected the Treat Life account to the Google Home app, the light switch, the Treat Life light switch, will show up on the Google Home app.
All right, we're gonna turn it on manually. See how this works. It's on. That's off. Okay, now we're going to turn it on from the cell phone. On and off. Okay, now we tried with the manually and also from the cell phone. Now we're gonna ask the Google to turn the light on. All right. Okay, Google, turn the light on. Okay, Google, turn the light off. Okay, so this is the way how we install the smart switch, and I will put the link of the instruction down below to my video, and make sure subscribe and like the button. Till thank you and have a nice day.